Happy Monday. Oh shit, y'all. What the fuck? Happy Wednesday. All right, so as you can see, I am all packed. All right, so y'all, I tried to take y'all along for the ride yesterday, but I really be doing a bunch of stuff at one time, and I be wanting to pick up the camera. However, yeah, it just, if somebody could just like do it for me, that would be so much better. But anyway, so festivities from last night or yesterday. So yesterday I got my nails done while I was at work. It didn't happen during lunch, but it happened like a little bit after lunch. So I went over there, got my nails done. I just got a nude, which I don't know, it's giving auntie vibes, but it's okay. But that's all I could get because of work. And I didn't want to get French because I always got French because of work. So, and I got my toes painted red just because I couldn't figure out what color I wanted. Anyway, so yeah, so I did that, and then I had some of my check-ins yesterday. Everything looks good. Weight was good. But I was like seeing how I was gonna get to the gym because I needed to pack, right? Because I laid out all my stuff the night before, but I didn't get a chance to pack because I ended up having to work on Monday. So in the mix of all of that, looking at my plan, and I was like, oh shit, today is supposed to be a rest day, which was yesterday. And I was like, damn, I was gonna do cardio, and I thought I had 30 minutes of cardio to do, and I was gonna lift upper. So I messaged coach, was like, hey, today's supposed to be a rest day. Do you want me to take the rest, or can I go to the gym? But I was talking to my sis Shantae, and she was like, you need to sit your ass down. I'm like, well, I was gonna at least do the Peloton when I got home because I had sat down for the most part of the day, and I wanted to at least ensure I got some kind of steps or movement in, right? Because I'm increasing food, whatever, obviously. Whatever. So, however, I did not, but I at least wanted to make sure I got 10,000 steps in. So, by the time I got home, I looked at my watch and I was like, oh, you know, I got a significant amount of steps in, so I can get the rest of the steps just by moving around the house packing, which I did. Because y'all see how I move in group, right? So, so last night got home, I ate, no, I ate on the way home from work. I had a meal at work. I ate that on the way home. It was a bunch of traffic. Finally got home, relaxed on the couch for a little bit. I got home at like 4:30, I think. And I was hell-bent on getting in the bed by 7:30. Like, I wanted to be in the bed by 7:30 because I wanted to rest and get a full, nice, restful night recovery from like all the weekend of extra movement, extra cardio, working out, you know, going crazy. So, got home, I had all my stuff laid out, but I wanted to like make sure I organized it, so I sat down and wrote my little list out, and then I hope you guys stay stable. Try this thing that I saw on Instagram where this girl had her tripod and everything, so it looks like it's working. So yeah, I wrote my list out, and then I started going through my stuff, separating everything. And then the last thing that I had to do this morning was actually put it in the suitcase and then get out my hair, makeup stuff, and my outfits that I just wanted to take for the weekend to have for the weekend. So, and I cooked all my food last night, which it was just, because I'm staying in a hotel with a kitchen, but I'm still taking my griddle. So the only thing I did cook was I cooked my seafood because I just didn't want to cook the seafood at the hotel. I just didn't want to be bothered with long cooking things that would take a while to cook. So yeah, I got up this morning. I got in the bed last night. I went to sleep fairly early, slept really well. I got up a lot because I had to pee. Y'all, lately I've been so dehydrated. Not lately, like the past week, like 3 weeks. I talked about how I thought this was supposed to be, yeah, how I've been drinking more water than normal. But I've been so dehydrated, and it could just be the change of weather. And then with all the extra movement. First of all, the light just turned. Do not do me. So yeah, but anyway, woke up this morning, y'all, and you did all that to get over, which you could have just got over behind me. Woke up this morning to a new prep low. numbers that Coach and I have been talking about that we ain't seen, but obviously I do better when I sit my ass down. Well, after putting in the work, when I sit my ass down and allow my body to recover and get sleep. So yes, new prep low this morning. We are looking tight and right, which I'll say crispy. Feeling very excited. So right now, all of my stuff's packed. I kind of brought, it's weird, I didn't bring extra stuff, but what I didn't do was, because it's local, I didn't pack as tight as I would if I was traveling through like an airport. So I was trying to only take my little Mickey Mouse bag, but I actually brought my Mickey Mouse bag and put my regular clothes in there and shoes and stuff. And then I brought my Angel Competition bag and put my like undergarments, hair and makeup in there. And then I brought my big ass suitcase and I put like my blankets, my towel, my all my composition stuff, my scale. And then what I had to do this morning, because I couldn't remember, I have the Renpho scale, R-E-N-P-H-O, and I have the measuring tape as well as the small travel scale. I weighed myself on both scales to see what the difference was. It's actually only a 0.2 pound difference, so I know that once I am, you know, at the hotel. So yeah, I'm headed to work. Okay, y'all. So upside, Whole Foods did have whitefish, and I got a piece, well, 2 pieces, because I need to make sure my protein is up as well. I'm probably behind on my carbs, but I got English muffins. I'm just gonna have that as my pre-workout, 1 English muffin and this fish. Unfortunately, I have to go back to work, y'all, because I fucked around and left my damn purse. Now, I never take my purse into work. I always leave it in my car, but I brought it up because I thought my ID was in there, and then it wasn't. It was in my pocket. Prep brain. So now I left my purse. Luckily, I have Apple Pay and Amazon Pay for Whole Foods, but I still gotta go back. Luckily also that I made this stop and didn't realize this when I tried to check into the hotel.
Please wait.
Because I would have been pissed off. I need to find somebody's coffee. By somebody, I mean Starbucks, because I want them to make me one of those good iced coffees. The Starbucks around the corner from my job.
Turn left onto 2nd Street Southeast. Then take the next sharp right.
They make a really good iced coffee for me. The afternoon crew does. So I'm probably gonna go there and grab that on my way out of work again to the gym. So, hey y'all, hey. So I made it to the gym. Y'all, the back and forth I just had to do. So I had to go back to work to get my purse. And some shit happened when I got there. Had to rectify that situation. I'm putting in this water bottle that I'm behind on. A scoop of Caged Hydrocharge. And I'm going to buy a water in the gym. So yeah, I'm going to get my workout in, my cardio in. I should be out of here in under an hour and a half. 2 hours, depending on. Just had my coffee. She made it perfect. And I'm not taking you guys in the gym because I ain't in the mood yet. So yeah, tomorrow I'll have y'all in the gym with me. But yeah, we're about to get this workout in and get it done. All right, hey y'all, hey. I made it to the hotel. My camera is now out of space on the memory card. I've been using it a lot, and I haven't taken anything off of it. So I might end up buying another SD card. I don't know. But anyway, what I'm doing right now, priority is I need to eat. I'm behind on meals. I need to go find water. I went to the grocery store, and of course the one thing I didn't get, because I was on the phone while I was in the grocery store, I didn't get water. So I bought a Gatorade because Coach told me to drink a Gatorade tonight. I brought my griddle, even though we have a kitchen with the skillet. I brought my griddle just because it's easy to use, and with these electric skillets, sometimes the eye's not big enough, so it's annoying. So I wiped down everything, and I'm about to take all of my seafood out. This is my barramundi and my salmon. Hopefully I have enough for show day. If not, though, I can just go to the grocery store. Who's this calling me? Yeah. English muffins. They have a little cupboard too, so I can also put my stuff in the cupboard, but I'm probably not gonna put anything in there. Just gonna put everything out on top so I can see it. Oh shit, I forgot I had eggs. Glad I didn't break any. Eggs, and I bought potatoes. So I turned on the skillet because I think I'm gonna make, I know. I'm going to make these potatoes. Salt and rice cakes for days. I made some potatoes. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and make the whole bag of potatoes just because then I already have my breakfast made. And I just put that in the microwave in the morning. I might still warm it back up in the skillet. I like warming things up in the skillet. Or on the stove, I should say. So. Alright. Get my spray. And the skillet heats up so much faster than sometimes dealing with electric stoves. So, yeah. Rice cakes for days, English muffins, potatoes, eggs. I'm gonna crack an egg. I'm going to do the whole thing of potatoes. These are potatoes I get, simply potatoes. Gonna do the whole thing. Put my ice packs in the freezer. Save this bag for trash. I think there is trash. So yeah, and it comes like, it has spatulas and everything if I need extra, but I brought my spatula. Got my scale. Got my baby scale for salt. Earbuds. Water spigot thing, topper, water topper. And I put everything in here. She's awesome. Got my coconut aminos. And then this, I'm just going to, I guess I can put this on top of the refrigerator in the back. This will work. Slide it back there. Yeah, I should have bought more. They were 2 for $6, and it's 5 servings in here, but a serving's only 22 grams of carbs. And I'm really gonna be eating more potatoes. I didn't bring any rice. I hadn't had a rice in a while, so I was just like, you know what, I'll just stick with potatoes. The only problem with potatoes is that you need more volume in order to get the amount of carbs in, because it's not that many carbs in potatoes. But I do have English muffins as well for a smaller source. And then for rice, I'll just be eating all the rice cakes. I got these cookies, y'all. Let me tell you, these Goya cookies are my favorite, but they have sugar-free. So I got these. I've never seen sugar-free. Obviously not to eat until after the show, but I love these little Goya cookies. Oh my God, they're so good. They didn't have blueberry English muffins. I got cranberry English muffins. So I got these from the grocery store because I like them. But I also like the Dave's Killer. I got these because I needed to eat right away, and I was at Whole Foods, and Whole Foods only has Dave's Killer English muffins. But yo, my favorite meal is salmon on an English muffin with over heart egg on top. So good. And I've also tried it with barramundi. So good. Can't go wrong with sandwiches. And I got this Gatorade Zero, the whatever flavor this is, Glacier Cherry. Got my coffee supplement. I'll just leave all that on the table. Got my H&B. Got my Hydro Charge. I got this for post-show, and if I need to take it throughout the next couple of days, it's a glucose disposal agent. This is my first time, not my first time using it today, but my first time using one of these. I'm using the Ambrosia Collective because I really like their supplement. I'm apple cider vinegar. I got my sun butter. Can't go anywhere without the nut butter. I don't like peanut butter. I like the sun butter. Y'all, I went to go get an eyeliner. This is the eyeliner that I use, the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. Eyeliner, brow pencil. $12.99. Since when did eyeliner or brow pencil become $12.99? Crazy. So I will unpack after I eat. Food is my priority. And I have to look at my macros. I might end up buying an SD card because that's the only thing that sucks. Is I'm trying to talk to you, but I need to look at my macros and it's on my phone. So, yeah. So I'm going to put the pepper on it now and put the salt on it after. And then I'm going to leave the egg out, over hard egg. So, alright, y'all.